Hi, welcome to back Vijaya tutorial point. Today topic is the mobile batteries. The two different batteries is used in mobile. And the one is the silicon carbon and another is the lithium ion batteries. Everybody know what are the differences. I will tell you very simple, very large information in very less time. Don't forward. Please watch this video starting to ending. Thank you. Let us go to the video. The silicon carbon versus lithium ion batteries. Understanding of the key difference between lithium ion and silicon carbon battery powers today smartphone, future flagship devices also. This one, the internal, what is the inside of this battery? Traditional lithium ion batteries are using graphite. This is the lithium ion graphite anodes, while silicon carbon batteries use silicon mixed with carbon to store more energy and improving overall battery performance. This is the silicon. Improving overall battery performance. Silicon can hold much more lithium than graphite. This silicon hold much more lithium in the graphite, make it is major battery technology upgradation of the silicon carbon. The another one, this is the energy density is the getting better. The typical lithium ion battery after around 180 to 260 hours per kg energy density, while silicon carbon batteries are can reach around 260 to 350 watt per kg. This helps to brand fit large batteries into similar smartphone without increasing thickness. This is the main difference. You observe this very clearly. The same phone is the different wattage of battery, right? The why brands are interested silicon carbon battery. The silicon carbon battery. Why brands are interested in silicon carbon battery? The silicon carbon battery charging fast due to lower resistance and better lithium flow. Lithium ion is the battery take around 45 to 60 minutes to reach 80%, while silicon carbon can do it around the 30 to 20 to 35 minutes. He observed this very clearly. I gave the picture also. Lithium ion battery 45 to 60 minutes reach 80%. Silicon carbon is 20 to 35 minutes to reach charging 80%. After that, the biggest problem is silicon. The pure silicon expanded heavily during charging. In the some cases, expansion can reach nearly 3000%, which may be causes cracks in internal stress battery degradation and reducing lifespan over time. The how silicon carbon swallow this silicon carbon matrix act like a protect cushion around the silicon, helping reduce expensive, improving stabilization, maintain the battery health and increasing durability during repeated charging cycles. This is the silicon carbon battery, pure silicon battery. The battery health and thermal power performance, lithium ion battery, silicon battery. The modern silicon carbon batteries offer better durability than efficiency of the while standing lithium ion batteries useful last around 500 to 200 cycles. The silicon ion carbon batteries can repeatedly reach around 800 to 2000 cycles for the future smartphone battery. The silicon carbon batteries could be helped to brand deliver biggest batteries in thin phones, faster charging speed, long battery life, better thermal efficiency, and more compact flagship designing. And this technology is still evolution rapidly. Please subscribe our Vijaya tutorial channel. Please share. Please comment if this is the information. This video is very informative. If you thought this video is informative, you can share and like, comment and subscribe also. Thanking you once again. You are Vijaya Tutorial. Thank you.